Samsung's flagship mobile, the Galaxy S23, is set to be released in early 2023. Before every major release, designs, specifications, and more tend to get leaked. We hope Samsung is getting better at guarding its unreleased phones, as we have yet to see any hands-on videos of the Galaxy S23 series. But at least some dummy units have made it out into the wild, giving us a taste of what the company's next conventional flagships may look like. Previously leaked renders had implied that the Galaxy S23 and S23 Plus would have the same floating camera array as the S23 Ultra. It's worth mentioning that they won't have the same camera specs. The alleged Galaxy S23 Ultra dummy model shows a phone that looks identical to its predecessor, but it's expected to have some minor differences, such as flatter sides and slightly taller and wider but thinner dimensions. It will also apparently have thinner bezels. As rumors had stated, the Standard and the Plus models appear to have slightly more rounded corners. And lastly, we also get to see group shots of the Galaxy S23 Ultra, S23 Plus, and S23. The 6.8 inches Galaxy S23 Ultra is unsurprisingly visibly bigger than the 6.5 inches Galaxy S23 Plus and 6.1 inches Galaxy S23. And it also has a slot for the S Pen stylus. The Ultra model has a boxy design, whereas the other two models have a rounded look. Overall, the design isn't a big departure from the outgoing range, and the bigger changes are expected to be on the inside. Samsung is expected to announce the Galaxy S23 lineup in the first week of February.